Hello everybody and welcome to Axion Token channel. Hey, this is going to be a quick update around Axion price, Axion Accelerator, some of the stuff that's going on in the community. So let's get straight into it, folks. Hope you guys are enjoying yourself on a Saturday. It's Saturday here in New Zealand, of course, and we're well in here to the future. So hopefully you guys enjoy yourself. Man, oh man, let's have a look. So we've got Axion here. Quadruple 047 is the price. So definitely near the cheapest price you can get at the moment. And of course, this is down about 8%, is it? Yeah, 8% down over 24 hours. You can see it on the right there. So we can pull that out. You can see just a little bit of selling there. Not too bad otherwise. Now, Axion price was doing pretty well, of course, but the markets have pulled back. So Axion is paired with ETH, of course, and ETH is actually down 12.3%, and it has been down lower than that too. So very important to get that. The ETH has actually dropped lower than Axion. Axion is paired to ETH, so no, Axion actually doing pretty well comparably with the difference over 4 percentage points on the difference. So very, very cool. Axion's underlying demand has actually been pretty good. You can see some buy candles been going on the last day or two. And of course, we've got a couple big whale buys accumulating. So very, very good time to pick up, especially if you're using fiat. Obviously, you can on-ramp at a cheaper price on fiat. So definitely a good time to pick up some price there as it zigzags along here at the moment. Ethereum at $2,500 at the moment. Bitcoin down under at 35,724. Still, on the decline from the looks of it. And Binance down 15%. So you can see it. Everyone's shedding. Whole market shedding. Cardano shedding at 12%. Solana down 19%, XRP down 10%, Terra down 22%. Can you imagine it? So this is what happens when the market moves into a more bearish stance. And of course, most of this has been driven by the Fed and interest rates, and of course, some of the performances out from Netflix today as the tech stocks start reporting. Next week, of course, we're expecting the Federal Reserve to give their update and whether they're still as hawkish, in other words, about 4 interest rate rises in the next 12 months. Whether they actually get to that's another question. I don't think they have a much ability to impact inflation, which is over 7% in the United States. So even if they raise 1-2% rates, inflation is still 5%. It's a very blunt instrument in any case. They may expect the GDP to pull back a little bit in the US, and that will reduce their chances of moving 4 times rather than, and they might just do 2 rate rises. Maybe we get a percent increase, something like that. So we'll find out next week. Also next week, of course, got the big tech stocks, Tesla and Google and others like that are reporting next week. So we'll see what they are. They should be good. I mean, they're typically what holds up the stock market anyways, those top leading tech firms. So we'll wait and see what their performances are. If we have a positive, in other words, less hawkish on the Fed and a positive on the tech stock results for those big performers, we could get a nice little rally. Otherwise, a positive on the tech stocks, negative on the Fed, might get a cancelling out potentially, or a bit volatility, but cancelled out over the week. We'll find out how that goes. Very, very cool. All right, let's jump over to the Accelerator. Well, obviously, we've got the Accelerator on Axion.network. If you're new to Axion, of course, check out Axion.network. And you can see that's where you get all the bonuses through the Accelerator. That's how you buy and invest in one go. Buy and stake, as we call it. And you can earn up to 47% APR depending on how the Accelerator sells out. Very, very cool. You earn Axion and you earn wrapped Bitcoin, and you can withdraw the wrapped Bitcoin anytime. So it's pretty cool. Top of that, you get a particle collider, and so you can put that in the collider there, and you get a chance of getting up to 10 times your initial investment. It is a 4% chance, but $8,500 been given out so far in the last 2 months. Pretty amazing results, really, and it is a bit of fun for sure. Just hit the Axion portal if you want to invest and get to the Accelerator. If you have any questions, of course, hit up Telegram and Discord, and you can get access at the top there to those. So very, very cool. It is on the Polygon network, not on Ethereum network anymore. It's been on the Polygon network for 3 months now, and it's been super fast and super cheap. So it's very, very cool. Let's jump over to the Accelerator, see what the results are at the moment. We've got 79% is remaining. So every 24 hours, the 375 million is put in the bonus pool, and that's actually doing very well at the moment. 13 hours and 36 minutes to go. We've got the 20% sold, so nice 21% sold, so very nice results at the moment. Obviously, the price of Axion's cheaper, so people are definitely diving in there through the Accelerator. You get the bonus up to 15% if you do 15-year stake. And of course, you also get big paydays. The next 4 years got big paydays. Just click advanced, you can see the big paydays there. And of course, you get that bonus here. So you got the first bonus is the Accelerator bonus up from the pool here. You get 1% more per year after 350 days. And in the second bonus, big paydays, also 350 days. The more you have, you can get all those. And of course, you get your bonus particle NFT you can use in the collider here. And of course, you get wrapped Bitcoin dividends, and that depends on how well the accelerator sells out each day. So far, 21% sold, long way to go. And of course, your wrapped Bitcoin, you can withdraw those anytime. Pretty nice. All you have to do is select the tokens: Matic, wrapped ETH, USDC, DAI, wrapped Bitcoin, or Link. You select any of those, and of course, put in the amount that you want to invest. That shows up here. And of course, this is what determines what your bonuses are. So if you do 350 days, say, you will get 1% through the accelerator. You can see that, and you'll get one big payday bonus. But if you do, say, 5 years, let's say 50 days, you will get 5% through the accelerator bonus, and you'll also get all 4 big paydays coming up, which is pretty amazing. That's a share of 45 billion Axion, so pretty cool. And obviously, you get a chance, you get your particle NFT that gives you a chance of winning, huge on that. So straight off the bat, so pretty cool. So once you get your stake set up, connect your wallet, accept it, and then your stake will show up on the staking page. You'll see portfolio value on the left and the amount of shares that you get over here. When you buy and stake, you swap your Axion for shares, so you have shares over here. And of course, at the bottom, you'll have your actual stake, your investment, as you were your certificate of deposit. On the NFT page will show up your particle NFT. You don't have to use it. You can just let it sit there, or you can sell on OpenSea NFT exchange, or you can go up to the cloud tab up here and put your particle NFT in here and set the term. The longer, the better. Of course, you get more bonus in terms of the shares that you get when you get your Axion particle. Engage the collider, and you got a 4% chance of winning that. You could get 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, or 10x times your original investment. As I say, so far $8,500 has been given out through this. Very, very cool. So nice stuff there. Hope you're enjoying that. The links are in the video description, of course. Let's check out the total supply at the moment, 334 billion. 18 million is the circulating supply, which is really, really cool. That excludes the burn address. The burn address is 36 billion down here. Very, very cool. And the total staked at the moment, 253.9 billion staked. Very, very cool. These figures have been updated too, which is nice to see from the team. Hats off to the marketing team and the software guys there and the Axion Foundation. Max shares is looking at 162.8 billion. 49%, folks, is staked. That's a beautiful thing. Axion has the best long-term stakes figures out there. 49% is staked for 15.2 years. That is mind-boggling, folks. And, of course, the average stake length is over 8 years. Amazing. So very, very cool. Wise token is 3.5 years, and Hex is 6.11 years. So at over 8 years on Axion is amazing. So hats off to them. All the stakers there, the long-term stakers, very, very cool. The other big deal, of course, is the launchpad. Axion launches a lot of big deals. We've got two more apparently. It look like they're lining up. They're not completely confirmed, but they're coming. One of them is a household name. That's massive. And, of course, that's coming in line. At the moment, the big thing is Warp. Of course, Warp is looking amazing, and almost 16,000 people in the Warp group there. So Axion's expanding its wider ecosystem as well. So not only bringing on third-party partners who are launching on here, but also building out new financial DeFi and GameFi businesses, and really innovating in the space. So it's a very exciting place to be for Axion. Very nice. All right, so those are the key things going on there, folks. And of course, you can get into Discord and get into all the latest and greatest with the community there. I always like to go through the announcements, and I don't think there's any announcement on today. No, but there will be a simulator vote coming up soon for the accelerator. Very, very cool. And of course, Axion Twitter's been doing lots of good stuff too. So they've been out tweeting all the good details at the moment. Are you prepared, Axionauts? Because lots is coming with the Axion ecosystem. It's very exciting. We've got an investor series coming up, video and series coming up. We've got Galaxy NFT stakes coming up, and new launch partners, and much, much more. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Obviously, Warp is coming up as well, about to launch any day now. So very exciting. Have you collided yet? So lots of cool stuff about the collider. That's the particle NFT. You get that for free when you buy and stake in Axion. So it's pretty amazing. And of course, you also get wrapped Bitcoin dividends. Very, very nice. And of course, a good social community here as well. Got the marketing director on. That was on Friday, so it was pretty neat as well. So big shout out to them. Pay attention to road signs. Very nice. So lots of stuff happening in Twitter there, folks. And of course, staking Axion and up to 47% APR, annual percentage return, and Bitcoin every day. So that is inclusive of the Bitcoin, and that does depend. The APR does depend on how long you stake, and also how the accelerator sales out. So just take that into account. Very, very nice. Very, very cool. So that's the highlights there for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was 10 minutes. That's pretty quick. And I'll catch you live stream tomorrow night. Should be very, very cool. Enjoy yourself, folks, and pick up some Axion. Once again, not investment advice, but do your due diligence. Get into Discord and Telegram. Ask questions you might have after reading the Axion.network website, and the links are in the video description. And get into the accelerator when you're ready. All right, take care. Subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.